Well, today a lot is going on. They've mounded the big area up front, and they put these rocks in with a lot of dirt. And here comes a lot of gravel. There's going to be a lot of stuff right here in the street. And there's my granddaughter, Evelyn. Evelyn, say hi. Hey, what's going on? Smile, come here. No, don't go there. They're in the way. Come here. Come back here. They're going to put all the rocks there. Watch this. You want to watch a big dump truck? Watch this. This is really cool. Come here, come here. They're going to dump a lot of dirt right there. Come here. Let's go back here. Whoa, it's going to be a lot. Let's get in the shade. She's an Arizona girl at 5, sweating. We're learning her little scooter today. Okay, here we go. Here is the gravel for the entire yard, probably. And it's going to go right there. This is how they do it in Arizona and probably everywhere. They just drop everything. Oh, there's our AstroTurf back there, probably in the roll. Ready? Ready? Here goes. Ready? Whoa, whoa. Watch, here it goes. It's going to be a big load. Tell me, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come here. Let's see what she thinks. She used to love dump trucks when she was about 3. What do you think? It's a lot. Look. Is that a lot? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, do you see all the dust?
Yeah, I see
that. That's a lot, isn't it? Wow. I don't know that I've ever actually seen them do that before. Have you?
No.
Have you ever seen a real one?
No. I haven't. Look at all the dirt.
Oh my gosh. It's a lot of rocks, isn't it? Okay, let's go back over here. And they were asking us where we want these plants. So let's check with them. Okay, today is a crazy, crazy day. There are a ton of people. Okay, wait. Oh, there's only 3 there right now. They're putting in fans and stuff on the patio. Oh, and there's a guy there in the back. But there's about 4 guys or 5 guys out front. It's really crazy right now. Oh my gosh, lots going on. There better be a lot happening today. Yeah, there's 2 right there, but I think there's about 4 or 5 of them out there. Let me see if I can see more right now. I don't think so. But there's a ton going on. So, a lot more to be reported today. I'm really hoping a lot comes together. See, they were not done outside like they were supposed to be for these guys to put the screens in. These are wind screens in Arizona and sunscreens, but for us, they're more wind screens and warmth so that we can put that fireplace on with that screen down, and it will be like 70 degrees in there. It'll be lovely to sit out any night of the winter. So anyways, that's what they're working on now. And this is how they dig the holes for the plant. So these look good. It is not easy to do this work. So they can get the roots. They are getting that ready. I had to sneeze, so I had to stop my camera. Anyway, all these coming over there. It's going to be pretty over there too. So now it comes in all these little lines. They're going to put the little turf strips throughout to just really warm it up a lot. This isn't obviously done, but it's just laying there to kind of show what the turf is going to look like. It just really changes the appearance, and the green just makes everything feel so much better. I'm feeling very good about this. And see, they're getting this ready too over here, but they still have to do that work over there. So we're getting there. We're getting there. I don't know how long these guys are staying, but I hope they stay a bit longer. Well, we are coming to an end. Not there yet by any means, but here's our little front patio. We have our new bougainvilleas, which they're really little for the pots. The pots are bigger than they were and the trees are littler, but they grow pretty fast and they'll look pretty nice. They flower most of the year. And then here's some roses, new roses with the pots. And they cleaned all this up, and they put this pencil cactus in this pot too for us, which matches our other new pots. So we had to water these. These have been neglected for a few weeks because the irrigation system was off, so they weren't getting water here. So they should be growing soon. Here's the front. Let's see, these guys are literally washing the sidewalks, cleaning up all the lighting and stuff like that out here. So this is our last load of junk. which I'm sure they will pick up in the morning. And then this, this is called a gigantica cactus right here that's got that little flower bud. And these kind of they grow pretty cool. They're big and they have these beautiful flower buds, but they die in one day. But they're huge. They're like the size of your hand. They're really cool. And then here we are. We're just getting ready. It's coming along. Okay, this is the back part of the house now. Our tiles aren't scrubbed. The pool's not clean. You'll see when we get over. We need some plants for these particular pots. But we've got some of our furniture back out here now. It's starting to come together. They'll put the fireplace together tomorrow with attaching the gas, the switch, and all of the little lava rocks on this particular one. On the one in the back, it will be glass pebbles. Well, let's see. They've cleaned tonight. Here we are with our little outdoor grill kitchen, and 2 things to note. They forgot to order that. It's coming in a couple days though, and they had to switch out those drawers to a garbage can and the refrigerator to a glass door, which is what we originally ordered, and ordered the wrong thing and put them in here. So, and then our fan wasn't ready to go up because they have some trim stuff that has to go up here that's got to attach to. So those will go up tomorrow, and then we got to order furniture. But oh, here we go. This is what's got to be cleaned tomorrow, so we can actually use this beautiful pool. Let's see what the weather's looking like. This is about 7 p.m. Arizona time, so it's just about time for the sunset. Beautiful right there. It actually looks pretty cool. And this is why we bought this. Oh, I see. It's the pool mat. Thinking, what the heck? It looks really weird. Anyway, so can't wait till this gets cleaned tomorrow. We want a few days here before we go to Michigan. Okay, this is one of the first times we've really actually watched the sunset, although I think you could see it in a previous video. This is what it looks like tonight. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. I don't know what that thing is sticking up out of the ground right there. Okay, here we are at nighttime. Okay, so now here's all the lighting. Of course, no furniture yet, which will be beautiful. And the ceiling fan and the stuff going on there and those little panels that go there and that girl thing. But it's going to be really cute and it's going to be very nice. And all the lighting. And then, unfortunately, our pool system is out right now, or this light would be on in the pool. And the fire pit back there, but that doesn't get installed till tomorrow. So you'll see a video soon on all that. And here's all the new landscaping with all the lighting. Let's see. They put some little grass things in here. And, which it seems really weird, but apparently they shouldn't have probably put those flower boxes there, because once you hit the stucco, the dirt should only be as high as the stucco, otherwise it starts to rot it, which can cause major issues. So obviously the dirt, that stucco's way down there, so we have to do something kind of shallow that will fill in and kind of hide that idea. Anyways, here's my raised flower beds, or I should say vegetable garden, herb garden, whatever. That's going to be on this side of the house. I'm kind of excited. I've never done gardening in my life, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, here's our hood vent. It's all wrapped up, but going to go in today. Hopefully whatever's under there is going to look really good, because we haven't seen it yet. And we've waited 4 months for it. We're not even allowed to open this hood vent because it says all these things in here, and they sent white gloves, like we're supposed to use white gloves. That's why we haven't even opened this. What if this thing doesn't look good? Oh, it better look really good. We're about ready to open it, but lots of instructions. And we just getting it ready. It's ready, ready, ready. And we're getting the pool clean. They are working on it. Yes, they are. And getting the fireplaces ready, looks like. Just rained. So we'll see how it goes. They're getting ready. They're getting the white gloves on to take this thing up. Boy, it looks monstrous. Look how tall it is. Okay, it's got the brass, the copper. We'll see how it's gonna look. And then you guys secure it up there, huh? Yep. Okay, here we go. It is a monster hood vent. And, well, don't trip. You can't have it dinged up, right? No dings. This thing is gonna look good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think it's gonna look really pretty. Okay, that is how it is going to look. And it is gonna look sweet. Okay, well, here's my kitchen, almost done. We at least have a hood vent, new knobs on the stove that don't scream wolf with the red. And they're out there finishing. Today, this should be all wrapped up outside there. They are putting in the trash can, the bottom of the cooktop, the bottom of the structure, and those little soleil panels which go in those holes there. Our pool is now clean. We are getting ready for this. Our fire bar is now working, and this fire bar is working as well. And now let's see what they're doing. Oh, let's go out this way. Hold on. Something kind of cool out here. Okay, hold on. This is off the master bedroom, but look at, I'm getting excited. Claire, Kristen, Olivia, and Carla bought me a gift card for my upcoming birthday for a plant place here in Arizona, and I can't wait. It's going to be for these. And I have a lady friend here. She is 82 years old, and she's amazing. She's a gardener. She used to be a farmer, so she's going to help me do all of these raised beds in the fall when we come back. She's really excited about it, actually, and she's going to come check them and check on all our plants. Looks like we just got our gates in so they could be locked. This is a new pad here, so it looks like these are going to be able to be locked. Anyway, I could go out through those because we want the security of people not just walking in our backyard. And then let's see what the front looks like. It's coming along. It's got a really nice side yard, which is kind of unusual here where we live to have such a big area. Hopefully there's no rattlesnakes sitting around, because sometimes they are, as we know from a previous video, right? We had a nice little cactus that was kind of leaning, so we're trying to get it upright right now. And all of this has been redone, so you can see the big rocks that have been brought in along with all the gravel to make it more of a, is it undulating or whatever the word is, looking like that a little bit better. Anyways, all of these, all new plants over there. And then in here, these are gonna have a ways to go, but they're getting cute. They'll be cute. These are the bougainvillea trees, but right now they just are babies, but they do grow pretty fast, so these will look really nice next year. Replanted that one and put all new rose bushes in these little painted pots, so these will look very pretty by the time we come back, and then we'll have to get something for this wall, so it's coming along. Okay, here we are. I think we're pretty much finalized out, although we don't have all of our furniture and everything. Here's our backyard. Oh, and it's a beautiful sunset time frame here. There's our TV. It's covered already though, because we're leaving soon for Michigan. But anyway, sorry, we don't have any furniture for our outdoor patio area, but that is completed and all the landscaping done. Oh, we don't have our fireplace lit for you to see tonight, but you can see the beautiful sunset view. It's beautiful, really lovely. And our flower beds are going to be ready to go when we come back in the fall. We have a friend who's going to be helping us with these. She is 82 years old and amazing, grew up farming and growing. And so it's so cool. I can see my picture right there. Look at that. That's so cool. Army shadow, I mean. Okay, we're pretty much done and we're coming back to Michigan. Here is our home. And the sun is setting, so that's coming in beautifully right now. And it's pretty much done. We even have our faucet in, and this, oh, there's Michael. Anyways, so we just got the hood vent in and the faucet. It's my favorite part. I love this faucet. I'm kind of obsessed with it, actually. It's really a cool faucet, and this whole set. It was my favorite. I mean, look at that disposal button. Tell me you haven't seen a better disposal button than that. Anyway, and it's looking really good. It's coming along, guys. It's really pretty. I'm very happy with the outcome. We are getting it completed. Other than I'll show you. Of course, the refrigerator. We won't have a picture of you. This is completely done because it will be a couple months probably until they get this Sub-Zero in there to fit and rebuild this entire, they have to rebuild this entire cabinet and go over 2 inches to get that done. So it's gonna look really good. Really happy with it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video series and get to do this one day for yourself. I love it. Real estate investing paid for all of this.